Hey boys and girls, are your parents around? No? Well, grab your milk and cookies because it's time for Uncle Teddy's Playhouse.
This is Uncle Teddy's Playhouse, and we are about to do another food challenge. We have an assortment of stuff none of us like. So, let's begin.
With everything, you think? Yeah.
Edit this out.
Yeah.
I got one thing no one will eat but me.
Uh-oh. What, a shot of vinegar?
I think once we get
Actually,
back,
I would try the shot of vinegar.
once we get back on, I say what we got. I ate raisins, figs,
Fairly certain.
craisins with blueberry juice and yogurt.
I have kale marshmallows. Yes, I don't like them. Sauerkraut and mustard.
I have aluminum foil. Pussies.
Okay, boys and girls, this is the stuff we don't like. What do you want to start with? I'll let Jeffy pick first.
I don't know. The thing I probably like the least here is the kale, so I'm going to just get that out of the way.
Not bad.
It doesn't taste like nothing. It tastes like shitty lettuce.
Not good. Dried up shitty lettuce.
Yeah.
Very shitty lettuce.
You know, if you boil it, put a little bit of vinegar in it, like cabbage.
Well,
Just like when I was a kid when I used to eat fucking grass.
Almost, yeah. Hey, you want mow my garden? This is terrible.
There it is.
yeah, this tastes like shit, man.
Okay, we've done that.
Kale's nasty.
Cook it, then I'll leave.
Yeah,
Ugh.
make some kale chips. Okay, I said the next one. Oh, which one do I hate the worst? Say the raisins.
Dude, really?
Oh, yeah,
Raisins are
I
fine.
was gonna say, raisins are probably the least nasty
I
thing
like
on here.
raisins.
Now picture what I'm gonna go through later. Really? What is so
fucking
bad?
nasty, bro.
But if I get you a grape, would you eat it?
Yeah.
But you won't eat a raisin.
Uh-uh.
I wanna
You know when the grapes start getting older and they start to shrivel and they get like little, like the taste is a little
Off?
more, sweeter and nasty. I toss them. I hate them. When they're just right, they're right. Oh, it's fucking disgusting.
Really?
Yes, really. Okay, next.
That is a lot of sugar for me.
Guess I'll go with sauerkraut.
Oh, kraut's good.
Okay, now just for my special input, sauerkraut, all you do is take a pinch and put it between your teeth and gum.
Mm-hmm. I could eat all that. That's good.
Now you two know what I'm talking about, do you?
Reckon I do.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
The young ones might not know that joke.
No. Ooh, that's tart.
This is not quite as bad as I remember, but I definitely still don't like it.
Well, mustard is gonna be the same thing, but hotter.
I don't like mustard.
Next up.
I'm still eating
You still like
the sauerkraut.
That's good.
You only give me half a can.
I only gave you like a 16th of a can.
I finished yours too.
Yeah, because we know you ain't. Okay, next one. Craisins. These are craisins with fucking blueberry juice in them. That's gotta be fucking nasty.
Raisins, but only red.
Yeah.
They actually taste better than
I say they're a little more tart than raisins. I actually like this.
It tastes better than the raisins. Still nasty, but better than the raisins.
Not that bad, man. In fact, it's good.
I think it's like more texture. That's nasty.
Yeah.
Next job.
I guess I'll do the mustard because why not?
Okay, well, let's do this right.
Why not?
That's what I was thinking. Yeah, use a big noodle. I already like these. So,
Oh wow.
I mean, you gotta eat it with something, man.
No. This looks great.
I'm going to do that in a little bit, just in a different way.
Yeah, you are.
Wow, that is not good.
No.
What?
The mustard on Vic
Not
Ribs is
very
not
pleasant.
good.
I hate
And they're
these.
dry as fuck.
As a kid, I always hated them. It's fucking nasty.
They're good, man.
My mother would buy it, and her and my brother would be the only two eating it because it's so fucking gross.
Figs make you poop.
Oh yeah.
Good for the intestines.
Clean it right out.
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty dry, though.
They are terribly dry.
It's like a sponge wrapped around the
Mm-hmm. It's like when you get pulled over with a bag of dope and you try to eat it.
Alright, well, I guess with the marshmallows, I don't.
Marshmallows would be good.
Yeah, I don't
After
know. I
having that
don't
nasty
completely
shit.
hate them, but I just don't like them. A lot of people say I'm crazy.
They're light, they're white, they're airy and fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah.
What is
It's the
not?
airy and fluffy part I don't like.
Okay.
They don't taste like, they're not good anyway. Like, they don't taste like anything.
Well, at least these are fake. You ought to eat real marshmallow. The swamp
Well,
grass.
okay, then these, whatever, the stupid ones everyone has.
Well, yeah, they're mini marshmallows.
Well, they suck.
Back
You don't
in the
even like
day?
them on your hot chocolate?
Oh, they'll just melt into the hot chocolate and then it's,
Some whipped
so.
cream.
Back in the day, this was like, it was a plant. They chop it out, cut the center out. Really gross.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, I know what's coming.
Last but not.
People, this is where I bow out. I refuse to do it.
I hate it too. Come on.
I will not. I always said I'd lick the bottom of your foot first. Well, guess what I gotta do? Lick the bottom of his foot. I will not eat yogurt. Nasty ass shoe,
No.
sweaty sock,
No homo.
whatever.
Ah, fucking gross!
I like how your reaction to this worse than he did.
Thank God for vinegar.
Fuck me. On that note, I hate
Boys.
yogurt.
Eat up.
Really? That violent, huh?
Bathroom in there.
Really?
Yes, I told you it's
Oh,
nasty.
crap.
Nasty ass Dave foot. And it was his idea to eat yogurt.
I fucking hate it. Can you imagine if I had to finish the whole thing? I don't know if I'm crying because my toe got licked, my feet got licked, or fucking yogurt. Holy fuck, that yogurt's nasty. Makes the fucking the tongue on the fucking feet feel good.
Oh, that's because you like me, baby.
Anything else, boys?
V8. That's gross.
How about your choo-choo? A little snack while we grind up everything.
All right.
Oh, that was fucking nasty.
Oh, nope. Before the chaw.
Oh, yeah.
Who would like the small piece?
Give me.
How much of this are we eating?
You gotta wad it up and shove the whole thing in your mouth and chew it.
Why?
Why? Have you ever stuck a wad of tinfoil in your mouth?
Yeah, it sucks.
Oh. See, I have a secret. I ain't got teeth.
I know, bro.
Yeah, but it tastes like a metal, you know. It looks like you're licking in
I think I'm gonna
batteries.
get fucking Alzheimer's because of this shit.
I'm sorry. You smoked on aluminum foil more than you chewed on it.
I know what you're talking about.
Aren't most metals poisonous?
At least we ain't doing shots of mercury.
Damn, that
I go
fucking
get-
yogurt
yeah.
was fucking nasty.
Really?
Bro.
Dude.
I told you I fucking hate it. I think the raisins and everything else I ate was way better than the fucking yogurt. That was nasty.
You seen what I resorted to get out of eating yogurt.
I know.
What's wrong with you
I'll
guys?
go. This is where your plug's at here, huh? There, you know, on the other side.
No, it's right there in the center.
So now we're gonna have to move the camera, huh, boys?
You know the worst part about that tinfoil?
Oh.
The sharp edges.
You guys can get yourself with it?
Uh-huh.
I tried to immediately crumple it up with my teeth. And
My dumbass stuffed it in there. And the saga continues. Now, all that nasty stuff you just seen us eat, with the exception of David's feet, we are going to put in this fancy handy dandy juicer and do shots. Now, as I said before, the saga continues. Now, I will add average garden variety kale. Just for sound purposes, I'm turning it down so we can hear each other. Sauerkraut with juice. Hold on. I'm leaving the fucking yogurt out. Raisins. They didn't want to go in. You! Bro. Just to liven things up. Big news! Well, it ain't doing too hot. The ever popular mini marshmallows. Just to spice it up. Oh, forgot the mustard. You know, if you're from Chicago, mustard goes on everything. We're not Chicago. Mustard sucks. And now, to make it palatable, you have to get all of your good stuff, because I'm not reading the label. I'll be damned, V8 don't use well. Raining on me. That's marshmallow. I think he was right. Thank God for yard sales. Do I just throw this away?
Going on. Sit down first.
Okay, everybody. You've seen me do the juicing. Now, this is the results. There's the cup.
There's the juice. Here, I'll show it.
Oh, it's like 5
Oh, it's thick. Multicolored.
Oh, I spilled some.
What are you doing? Leaving me all the chunks?
Oh, which one you want?
I don't care. It's gross no matter what.
Oh, no.
Oh,
Salute.
oh, it smells so strongly of kale.
Salud.
Oh, God.
Oh, goddamn.
Oh, he's gonna puke. Tony.
Oh,
No, we're gonna play. Then we're gonna film it while he's cleaning it up. Oh.
Another shot, boys?
no.
I drank all mine.
Ah!
Oh, God. It was like kale, and then I was like, okay, whatever.
Kale
And
is
then-
all the shit.
but then mustard hit my tongue, and I was like, nope.
You want to go finish it?
Fuck that.
You want me to?
Go for it. God damn.
No, I can't.
I gagged smelling it.
Pussies. That's all I'm saying. Pussies.
Oh, shit.
Boy, tomorrow's gonna be fun. Now, they pushed out on the liquid challenge. Now, let's eat the remains.
Yeah, you seriously want to eat the pulp? Oh, it smells just as bad as the juice.
Come on.
Oh man, it's like,
Don't even
like
look at
layers.
Well, that might be your saving grace. Gotta show the camera.
I don't want a lot of that. Just a little bit. There's a lot of marshmallow in that.
It might be good with the marshmallow.
No, yeah, make it sweet.
I don't
That'll
think there's
help.
anything make that better.
What?
Kale juice on your chin.
All right.
It just looks nasty.
You
I don't
guys
want to put
gonna
my
grab
hand
some,
in
or should
it.
we go? Or
Go?
Put it, you know.
cheers.
Shouldn't taste like much of anything.
No, that was Fig Newtons and marshmallow.
Oh, look, it's a lot of kraut.
It's Fig Newtons.
German.
No, like what I just ate was Fig Newtons and marshmallow with like some kraut, but like not enough to taste it. That was not bad.
Oh, it's fucking gross. Come on, I want to see the sweat coming. Come on. Come on. That turns right there.
Fucking disgusting.
There ain't much bothers me.
No, what I got of it wasn't bad at
That
all.
wasn't too bad.
No.
The juice is
No.
Juice is disgusting.
That's what made it disgusting. Is that juice?
And thank you for watching. This is the conclusion of another episode of Uncle Teddy's Playhouse. Thank you. Goodbye.